Okie dokie. Take one on cat wash bathtub time. So first you turn on the water and you want to make sure it's not too cold, not too hot. Oh, that's cold. Actually, that's quite nice. Okay, and then kitty number one will be Cookie, who's right here. Come here, Cookie. Cookie. It's okay. Oh, no. Come here, come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Cookie, look. It's okay. You're okay, you always take baths. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, no. Wait, now it's really cold. See, Cookie? Okay. Oh. Oh. Say hi. Oh, you can't even see Cookie. Hang on. Ow. There we go. It's okay. You like baths, Cookie. You're my good kitty. See? Okay. Oh, your ear. Okay. Cookie, I'm gonna need you to move. I know, I know. Oh, sorry. Oh, see, it's nice and warm now. See? No, Cookie. Oh, it's got me wet. See? It's okay. Yeah, look outside. See? Oh, wait. It's a bit hot. See, Cookie? You okay? Okay. You okay? Oh. Oh. You okay, Cookie? Okay. Water off, see? Oh, and then, ooh, we'll just put it right there. It's okay. Oh my, Cookie, you had a lot of hair. Oh, Cookie, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're almost done. Then it can be Bella's turn, okay? Oh, you got a lot of fur. Let me do your lace clips, okay? And then I know. I know. It's okay. Okay, now we just have to get all this off, okay? It's cold, huh, kitty? I see you in the water. I know. No. Go right here. Wait, I need you just right here, okay? Okay. See, you're all done. You're all done, Cookie. Okay. I know. Oh, hang on. Don't jump out yet. Okay, here, Cookie. I know. Oh no. Oh. I know. Oh no, I didn't get you in the towel. There we go. Okay, Cookie's done. Say hi, Cookie. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay, I'll be back with Bella. Okay, I think it's resumed. Yes, a minute went by. That was Cookie. Cookie's pretty easy, honestly. But Bella's gonna be the one that's tough. Bella's gonna be tough. I'm having some difficulties with Bella. She does not want to take a bath. I'll be back. After many attempts, I cannot convince Bella. I tried. I told her she could have treats. I just can't convince her. So Bella's gonna get a bath another day. I'm very proud of Cookie though. Cookie did great. But Bella she doesn't want a bath. No, she doesn't want a bath. So yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I have to clean the sink now.